Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your place Bareilly? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 6 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Bareilly. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video.
At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Triumphant Institute of Management Education, that is Time Institute. The address of Time Institute is 614 Janakpuri besides Temptation Bakery near Selection Point Chauraha, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh 243005. Okay, their contact number is 097-586-11555 and the Google rating includes 4.9 stars out of 5. Now friends, let us talk about the institutes and their features. Time Institute is India's leading test prep institute with a pan-India presence and is headquartered in Hyderabad and was established in 1992. Time today operates out of 237 offices located in 118 towns and cities across the country, and over 40 IIT IIM graduates form part of the core team at Time Institute. Alright, now let us talk about that which are the courses offered by the Time Institute. So, apart from SSC, there are various courses offered by the institute, so there is a diversity of courses. Also, Time has achieved an important milestone of training more than 22 lakh students since inception and over 1.5 lakh students in the year 2017-18 for various entrance examinations. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Career Launcher Institute. The address of Career Launcher Institute is 2nd floor Anand Bhavan beside IIFT near Puri Photo State Dhanwantri Tomar Hospital Chauraha, Rampur Garden, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh 243001. Also, the classes are held completely online and also they provide on-site services. Okay, the contact number is 09528195281. Now let us talk about the institute and the Google rating. So Google rating includes 4.9 stars out of 5. Alright, so Career Launcher Institute has helped lakhs of students preparing for SSC exams with various SSC coaching programs. Their exclusive 12-month SSC comprehensive program includes Tier 1 and Tier 2, offers you complete preparation for SSC and SSC CGL. The program entails extensive classroom training, comprehensive study material, practice exercises and tests. Also, the study material and mock tests make you adapt across all sections of SSC CGL. Now let us talk about their main features of the program. The very first is 350 plus teaching hours. Then classroom duration is 1 year. Next in the line is study material include books on quantitative aptitude, data interpretation, reasoning, English and general awareness to help you understand the basics of each area. Then we have 80 plus mock tests and detailed exam analysis of solutions. Then 100 plus practice tests comprising 2000 plus questions, and these were the features of the institute. And The program validity is of 12 months, that is of 1 year. Okay, at rank 5, we have Study Waves classes. The address of Study Waves classes is BDA Colony, Badaun Road, Kargena, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh 243001. The contact number includes 07599666668 and the Google reviews includes 4.9 stars out of 5. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 6 institute, is IBS Bank PO Coaching and SSC Coaching in Bareilly. The address of this institute is IBS Bareilly, 722 Janakpuri Bareilly, near RK Nursing Home, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh 243122. Their contact number is 084102 04604 and the Google rating includes 4.9 stars out of 5. So friends, these were our top 6 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Bareilly. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.